Most people get this wrong. They assume making money online is slow and complicated, but the surprising truth is that with Scribby, you can realistically earn $100 to $160 per day if you approach it strategically. Here's my step-by-step review. Scribby is an online transcription platform where you listen to audio files and convert them into text. You start by signing up and completing a short test to demonstrate your transcription skills. Once approved, you gain access to paid projects. One key to making $160 per day is speed and accuracy. Most beginners underestimate how fast experienced transcribers can work. For example, I timed myself and completed a 1-hour audio file in just 30 minutes by using keyboard shortcuts and a structured workflow. Accuracy is critical. Scribby pays more for files graded as high quality. Another trick is choosing the right files. Long, clear files and familiar accents tend to be faster and easier. Avoid poor quality audio or heavily accented files if you are aiming for high daily earnings. Payment is straightforward. Scribby pays via PayPal, and the more files you complete with high accuracy, the higher your potential daily earnings. With dedication, reaching $160 in a day is achievable, though consistency requires practice and focus. In conclusion, Scribby is a legitimate way to make money online with transcription work. If you develop speed, accuracy, and a smart workflow, earning $100 to $160 daily is possible. Subscribe for more honest reviews and guides on making money online efficiently.